If your Spotify and Discord integration is not working properly or your music status is not showing up the way it should, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Spotify and Discord integration step by step, and we'll also make sure both accounts are disconnected and reconnected the right way so everything starts syncing again. This is a quick but important fix, and it usually solves problems with Spotify not showing on Discord, Discord not detecting your music, or the connection just getting stuck. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside Discord, look near your username at the bottom left of the screen and click the gear icon to open User Settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your account and connection options. On the left-hand side, scroll until you find the Connection section and click it. Here, you'll see any apps and services currently linked to your Discord account. Look for Spotify in the list and click the X or Disconnect option next to it. This removes the current connection from Discord and helps clear out any broken or outdated sync issue. After disconnecting Spotify, the next thing you want to do is refresh Discord completely. Don't just switch tabs or leave the app open. Make sure Discord reloads fully so the changes take effect properly. Once that is done, open your browser and go to the Spotify apps page at spotify.com/account/apps. This page shows all of the apps that currently have access to your Spotify account. Find Discord in the connected apps list and remove it from your Spotify account as well. This step is very important because if the app connection is stuck on both sides, reconnecting may not work correctly unless you clear it from Spotify too. Now go back to Discord again, return to User Settings, then Connections, and click Add. From the list of services, select Spotify. Discord will now open a login window and ask you to sign into your Spotify account. Enter your Spotify details and authorize Discord so the two accounts can connect again. Once the authorization is complete, go back to the Connections page and check the Spotify settings. If you want your music activity to appear on your profile, turn on Display on Profile. If you want your status to show that you're listening to Spotify, turn on Display Spotify as your status. These options help Discord show your music activity exactly how you want it to appear. At this point, your Spotify and Discord integration should be working again. You should now be able to share what you're listening to, see Spotify activity in Discord, and enjoy a fresh connection without the old sync problems. If this video fixed the issue for you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.